Hello and welcome. In this video I will show you how you can generate 10 random addresses, MAC addresses for your Huawei Nova 13 Pro. So first you will have to enter your IMEI address, which you can find in the settings of your Huawei, and in the settings you have to find the About Phone section. It will be in the bottom, and the IMEI, and you have to enter in your browser the IMEI.info website and enter it. And now you'll get this prompt that you have to enter your IMEI, so let's enter it. And here you'll get some basic info about your phone. As you can see, you have the MAC address generator, so let's press that. And here you have to input your device MAC address and press generate random MAC address. As you can see, the website generated 10 random MAC addresses for this model. So I believe we're done for the video. If you consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.